Let us discuss a problem on random variables. In this, I am taking one problem, that is, from a lot of 10 items containing 3 defectives, in the sample of 4 items, is drawn at random. Let random variable capital X denote the number of defective items in the sample. Find the probability distribution of X when the sample is drawn without replacement. Here we can take total number of items. Total number of items are 10. In that, how many defective? The number of defective items are 3. So the remaining are good ones. So the number of good ones are 10 minus 3 is 7. Next, it is over. In that, how many defective are there? How many good ones are there? Next, we can take the sample. The sample is equal to S having the number of items 4. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 items are there. In that, capital X is the number of defective items. This is the random variable. In this, number of defective items in the sample, in 4, in that how many defectives are there? Total 3 defectives are there. In that, no defective, 1 defective, 2 defective and 3 defective. That is nothing but X random variable values are X0, X1, X2, X3. So no defective, 1 defective, 2 defective and 3 defective. These are the defective values. Those are related to the random values. Next, find the probability distribution of X when the sample is drawn without replacement. If we can draw an item that is without replacement, we can take. Here the X random variables are 0 defective, 1 defective, 2 defective, 3 defective. Now we can find out the respective probability values, probability of X. These are the values. And here, how to find out these values? For that, we can take probability of X is equal to 0 means no defective. No defective means we can taking 4 items from the good ones only. So that is 7C4 by total number of items are 10C4. It is equal to 7 factorial by 4 factorial into 3 factorial by 10 factorial by 6 factorial into 4 factorial. 4 factorial cancel. It is equal to 7 factorial by 3 factorial into 6 factorial by 10 factorial. Then it can be written as 7 factorial by 3 factorial into 6 factorial can be written as 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial by 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial. 7 factorial cancel. 3 factorial cancel. 4 ones are 4 twos are 2 ones are 2 threes are 3 ones are 3 threes are 5 ones are 5 twos are. So this is equal to 1 by 6. No defective items are 1 by 6. Next we can take probability of X is equal to 1 defective. 1 defective means we can take 1 item from the defective ones, the remaining 3 items from the good ones. So that is nothing but 3C1 into 7C3 by 10C4 equal to 3 factorial by 2 factorial into 7 factorial by 7 minus 3 is also 3 factorial into 4 factorial by 10 factorial by 6 factorial into 4 factorial. 4 factorial cancel. 3 factorial cancel. It is equal to 7 factorial by 2 factorial into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial by 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial. 7 factorial, 7 factorial cancel. 2 factorial, 2 factorial cancel. Here 3 ones are, 3 threes are, 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 2 ones are, 2 ones are cancel. Here 4 ones are, 4 twos are. So it is equal to 1 by 2. So the value is for one defective 1 by 2. Next we can find out probability of x is equal to 2. That is nothing but 2 defective selected from the defective and 2 from the good ones. So this is nothing but from the 3 defective we can select 2 defective. From the 7 good ones we can select the 2 defective by 10 C4. It is equal to 3 factorial by 2 factorial into 7 factorial by 5 factorial into 2 factorial by 10 factorial by 6 factorial into 4 factorial. It is equal to 2 factorial, factorial cancel, 3 into 7 into 6. 7 factorial can be written as 7 into 6 into 5 factorial, 5 factorial, 5 factorial cancel. 2 ones are, 2 threes are. That is 7 into 3 by 6 factorial into 4 factorial by 10 factorial. It can be written as 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. 6 factorial, 6 factorial cancel. 7 ones are, 7 ones are cancel. 3 ones are, 3 threes are, 3 ones are, 3 threes are. 4 factorial can be written as 4 into 3 into 2. 4 ones are, 4 twos are, 2 ones are, 2 ones are. This is equal to 3 by 10. So probability of x equal to 2 is 3 by 10. Then we can take probability of x equal to 3. That is nothing but 3 defectives and 1 good item. That is 3C3 into 7C1 by 10C4 equal to 3C3 is equal to 1. 7C1 is 7 by 10 factorial by 6 factorial into 4 factorial. 10 factorial can be written as 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. 6 factorial, 6 factorial cancel. 7 ones are, 7 ones are cancel. 4 factorial can be written as 4 into 3 into 2. 2 ones are, 2 fours are, 4 ones are, 4 ones are, 3 ones are, 3 threes are. So 3 tens are 30, 1 by 30. So probability of 3 defective is 1 by 30. Just we can take these probabilities: 1 by 6, 1 by 2, 3 by 10, 1 by 3. This is the probability distribution table what they are asking. Okay. Next problem we are discussing. Let x denote the minimum value of two numbers that appear when a pair of fair dice is thrown once. Determine the first one is discrete probability distribution, second one is the expectation, third one is the variance. First we know that the two dice has one dice has 6 faces. We are throwing 2 dice, that is the number of outcomes are, total number of outcomes 36. In that the general sample space has 36 outcomes. Those are 1, 1, 1, 2, so on, 1, 6, 2, 1, 3, 1, so on, 6, 1. It's 2, 2, so on, 2, 6, 3, 2, so on, 3, 6, up to 6, 2, so on, 6, 6. This is the sample space. But in this case, the random variable capital X, assigns the minimum number of two numbers that appear on the dice. That is nothing but here capital X sample. From this, the sample space S is equal to set of minimum number means 1 1 1 1 1 up to 6. Here 1 1 1 1 1. It is 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 4 4 4 4 4 5 5 5 6. This is the sample space of the minimum number that appear the dice. So here the X is the minimum number means that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 are the random variables. Now we can find out the random variables with the respective probabilities. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6. In this probability of X, how many ones are there? Here 5, here 5, 10 plus 1, 11 by 36. How many 2's are there? 2's 5 plus 4, 9, 9 by 36. How many 3's are there? 4 plus 3, 7 by 36. How many 4? 3 plus 2, 5 by 36. How many 5's? 2 plus 1, 3 by 36. How many 6? 1 only, 1 by 36. This is the probability distribution function, that is a discrete probability distribution table. Next we can find out the expectation. Expectation means that is the mean and expectation both are having the same values. Here from the distribution table only we can find out the expectation. Second one, expectation of X equal to mu is equal to sigma I equal to 1 to 6 xi pi. It is equal to 1 into 1 by 36 plus 2 into 9 by 36 plus 3 into 7 by 36 plus 4 into 5 by 36 plus 5 into 3 by 36 plus 6 into 1 by 36. 36 is the common for all denominators. It is the taking the LCM 36. 1 1s are 1 plus 2 9s are 18 plus 7 3s are 21 plus 4 5s are 20 plus 5 3s are 15 plus 6 1s are 6. This is equal to, so 19 plus 21 is 40 plus 20 60 60 75 81 by 36. 81 or 91 to 11 12 13 plus 8 21. 2 is the carry. 2 plus 2 4 6 7 8. It's 11, sorry, it's 11 by 36. This is 11 by 36. Then we are getting the 91 by 36. So expectation of X is equal to 91 by 36. Second one is the third one is the variance. Variance of X is equal to expectation of X square minus expectation of X whole square. It is sigma I equal to 1 to 6 xi square pi minus 91 by 36 whole square. That is equal to 1 square into 11 by 36 plus 2 square into 9 by 36 plus 3 square into 7 by 36 plus 4 square into 5 by 36 plus 5 square into 3 by 36 plus 6 square into 1 by 36. Minus expectation of x is, that is 91 by 36 whole square. This is equal to 11 by 36 plus 2 to the 4, 4 9s are 36 by 36 plus 3 3s are 9, 9 7s are 63 by 36 plus 16 5s are 80 by 36, 5 5s are 25, 3s are 75 by 36 plus 36 by 36 minus 91 by 36 whole square. It is equal to 36 is the taking LCM. Then this is 11 plus 36. It's the 47. 47 means 50 plus 60, 110 plus 190 plus 265. It's 301 by 36 minus 91 whole square by 36 whole square. Next, taking the LCM, 36 whole square is the value. Here multiply with 36. 36 ones are 36, 36 threes are 6 threes are 18, 1, 10,831, 91 into 91, 1 ones are 1, it's 18, 181 plus 2, 182 minus 88,281. So 10,836 minus 8,281, 5. It's 3 means it's a 5. This is 7. It's not 7, 6. It's 2. It is equal to 2655 by 36 whole square. After the simplification, we are getting 1.9713. So variance of x is equal to 1.9713. From this, standard deviation is equal to under root of variance of x equal to under root of 1.9713 is equal to 1.404. This is the way how to do the given relation of the problem.